Good morning, guys. It's time to work on the car again. So we have here the parking brake pads and the spring kit, and then we of course have the cables, parking brake cables that I had already last time. So we have the parts. But first I'm gonna rinse it off a little bit, it's so dirty. But then we start. So I've decided to paint the wheels. So I'm gonna take them all off, wash them, and prep them for paint.
10 seconds. Stabilizing. Hibernation activated.
All the things we do for dreams. All of the things I do for me. I don't know what to say. Nobody around to
Because it's so cold outside, I'm gonna run warm water on the wheels for a while, just to heat them up so they're not ice cold when the paint goes on as well. It didn't take too long, they're very warm right now. You can really feel it. Aluminium is not really long to warm up. So, yes. So I'm gonna start with 320 paper and then go the wheels and then end with 400 paper. So, this wheel is the flat surfaces are sandpapered, sanded down, and then I'm going inside the hole. Then I'm also doing inside the hole, so it's gonna take some time. So you can see the difference, because this wheel was probably polished originally, but the one who got them, he didn't polish them regularly, so that's why they went to this. But yes, so let's do all the wheels.
Yeah. Unknown Brain. Marvin Devine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. Yeah, I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side. No, you did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say goodbye.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you
All the wheels are painted. Now it's just to let them dry, and while I do that, I'm gonna open up the rear brakes and do the parking brake shoes and cables.
were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you flying, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music. I'm saying
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. Yeah, I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side. No, you did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
So I removed the left cable and I removed everything from the brake shoe, and everything is here. This is the only thing that I'm gonna use again. This is the movement from the cable to the parking brake shoes, and it's really rusted out and stuck, so I have to blast it and try to wiggle it until it's free. And same on the other side. Everything is off, and here's the thing I'm gonna use again. I already showed you the cables, the parts, and the spring set, so I'm probably just gonna change out the left cable because the other one is perfectly fine, so I don't have to do that now. And yeah, but we'll see, maybe something is, I'm not sure about this. So, and this is a little bit bent, so I'll bend it back and look at how everything is working when it's together. But next thing is to loosen these up and get them moving.
So now I gotta say goodbye.
Hey guys, so I was in a time crunch yesterday and had to finish on time because I didn't have endless time to work on my car there. So I finished up the parking brake stuff, put everything together, the wheels on, and now it should be ready for inspection. And I think it looks pretty good on the different color of wheels. Very nice. I'm pretty happy with it. Tell me what you think of the new wheel color in the comments. And I'm still like amazed how much better it looks with the bumper plastic. It makes all the difference in the overall look of the car. But yeah, pretty happy with it. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel to grow, and see you next time.